Hello everyone, welcome back grade 4. Our lesson today is talking about how to multiply using distributive property. Okay, let's open your book, page 87. Okay guys, let's start. Okay, you may need a color pencils, at least one color pencil. So let's start. Okay, first of all, we have 6 multiplied by 13. Let's break 13 in a part with 5 and 8. Let's see here how can break it. First of all, we have 6 here, right? So put the 6 here. As you see here, we have how many squares here? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have 6 squares. So count 6 squares and draw like that. After that, we want 13 squares horizontally, okay? So let's count 13 squares. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 squares here. After that, let's make a rectangle here like that. You have to count. We break the 13 to 5 and 8, right? So let's count 5 squares. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's make a line here like that. So we have here two groups. We have here 5 squares and 6 squares here. Let's color it. And let's use another color to color the next board like that. Okay, after that we have here 6 and we have here 5, right? So this board, the yellow board, represent 6 multiplied by 5. And we have also here 6 and we have here 8. So the blue board represent 6 multiplied by 8. After that we have 6 multiplied by 5. Rewrite it here. 6 multiplied by 5 and put it between brackets and make plus here to add the other board to it. The other board, it's 6 multiplied by 8, right? Okay guys, let's have here 6 multiplied by 5 equals what? Equal 30, right? And with the plus sign, and 6 multiplied by 8 equals what? Equals 48. And let's add them together. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So our answer is 78. Like you see here. The first step, multiply 5 by 6, it will be 30. And let's multiply 6 by 8, it will be 48. And then add them up. So it will be 30 plus 48, it will be 78. Like you see here. So that's our answer. Okay, let's see another way to multiply 6 by 13. Here, the same way, but in this time, we're going to break 13 into 9 plus 4. So the same rectangle with the same dimensions, we have 6 here and we have 13 here. So let's count together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 squares here. Let's count the other one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's draw first our rectangle like that. But in this case, we're gonna divide it into 9 squares and 4 squares. Okay, let's count 9 squares and draw line. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have here 9. Let's draw a line here like that. Okay, so let's shade it. And let's use another color to shade the next one, the other board, like that. Okay, so let's write the value of each port. Here we have 6 and we have 9, right? So let's multiply 6 by 9. And the next one, it will be 6 here, and we have here 4, so it will be 6 multiplied by 4. Let's rewrite here, 6 multiplied by 9, between brackets, plus 6 multiplied by 4. Okay, now 6 multiplied by 9 equals what? Equals 54, right? Put the plus sign as the same, and 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. Let's add them up. 54 plus 24. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So that's our answer, like you see here. Firstly, 6 multiplied by 9 equals 54. 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. And add them up. Let's add them up here. So it will be 54 plus 24 equals 78. Okay, guys, let's move to the next page. Okay, model the product on the grid here. Okay, we have 3 multiplied by 13. The easiest way, if you want to break the number, let's break it into 10 and other number. Let's say here 13. Break it into 10 plus what? 13, 10 plus what? 10 plus 3, right? So write 3. So we have here 10 plus 3. Let's model it. We have 3, so let's write here 3 and represent it by 3 squares, as you see here. 1, 2, 3. After that, let's count 13 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have to count the correct squares, okay? Let's make the rectangle here. Like you see, we have 10 here, right? So let's color 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squares. So let's color it here. Color this port. And we have 3. This port left, let's color it with another color like that. After that, let's write the value of each port. Here, the value of this port, the yellow port, we have 3 here and we have 10 here. So it will be 3 multiplied by 10. And the same thing with the blue one. The blue part here, we have 3 and we have 3. So it will be 3 multiplied by 3. Let's rewrite it here. 3 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 3. We have here 3 multiplied by 10 equals what? We all know any number multiplied by 10 equals the same number and put 0, right? So 3 multiplied by 10 equals 30. Put the plus sign as the same, and 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. So it will be 30 plus 9 equals 39. So that's our answer, like you see here. So break the number to make it easier. If you multiply 3 by 13, it's a big number, right? You can't multiply it like that. But if you break 13 into 10 and other number like 3, so it will be easier if you multiply 3 by 10 and then add to 3 by 3. It will be 39. Okay, let's move to the next one. Number 2, we have 5 multiplied by 14 here. So the first number, which is a small number here, 5, put it as the same here. Okay, and 14, let's break it into 10 plus what? 10 plus 4, right? Okay, so let's write 4 here. After that, we're gonna draw here a rectangle with 5 squares here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and draw our line here like that. And then we have 14 here, right? So let's count here 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then let's draw our rectangle here. The first thing, you have to model a rectangle and then divide it like that. Okay, after that, divide it into 10 squares and 4 squares. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's color it. Okay, after that, let's color the other board with another color like that. Okay, let's write the value of each board. The first one here, we have 5 and 10. So it will be 5 by 10. And the other board will be 5 again by 4. Like that. And then let's rewrite it. 5 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 4. Of course, we all know that 5 multiplied by 10 equals what? 50, right? With the plus sign as the same. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. After that, 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So the answer will be 70. Okay, now let's find the product using base 10 blocks. Okay, as we all know, we have this is called what? As we said before, it's called long, right? Long, it means 10, right? So let's write 10 here above long. And we have how many ones here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 4 ones. Add them together, it will be 14, like you see here. Okay, what about 6? How can we represent it? Let's count the number of rows. How many rows we have here? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's represent 6 as 6 rows here, okay? It's the same thing here, but here using the grid and here using base 10 blocks. So if you want to get the answer here, let's use the distributive property like we have here. Firstly, 6 multiplied by 10. Let's write it here. 6 multiplied by 10 plus 6 multiplied by 4. Like that. Okay, let's get the answer of it. Firstly, we have 10 multiply 6 multiplied by 10 equals what? Equals 60, of course, right? Plus 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. After that, add them together. 0 plus 4 equals 4, and 6 plus 2 equals 8. So our answer is 84, like you see here. Okay, the next one, the same thing. Let's think about it. We have here 5, right? Let's make 5 rows here. So we have here 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 18. Let's break it to group of 10 here. And how many ones left? 8, right? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. After that, what the value of this port? 5 times 10 equals 50. So this port will be 50. And what about this port? 5 multiplied by 8. 5 multiplied by 8 equals 40, right? Let's add them together. 50 plus 40 equals 90. Okay, let's see here. We have four rows and we have 16. Let's break it down to group of 10, and we have here 6. And then we have here 10, right? 4 multiplied by 10 equals 40. So this part equals 40. And 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24, like you see here. So add them up. So 0 plus 4 equals 4, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. It will be 64. Okay, guys, let's move to the next one. Let's use paper grid or base 10 blocks to model this. 7 multiplied by 12. Okay. Okay, guys, let's move to the next page here. We have 7 multiplied by 12. Okay, let's write it here. 7 multiplied by 12. Okay, first of all, let's count 7 here. 1, 2, 3. Let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be like that. Okay. After that, we have 12. So it will be 12 here. It will be here 10 and 2, right? So let's divide it here 10 and here 2. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's read this. And this will be the 10. And we have 12, so it will be 2 more, like that. Okay, let's count. We have here 1. Let's change the color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's continue drawing your rectangle like that. Okay, after that, we have here 10, right? Let's write here 2. We have here 10. So in 10, let's divide this rectangle like that. Okay, and let's color it. Let's change the color and color this. Okay, after that, 7 multiplied by 10. Okay, and 7 multiplied by 2, write it here. Okay, after that, we have 7 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 2. So 7 multiplied by 10 equals what? Equals 70, right? Plus 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. Let's add them. 0 plus 4 equals 4, and 7 plus 1 equals 8. So our answer is 84. That's how to represent by using the grade paper. Okay? Okay, guys, that's our lesson for today. Your homework will be this page 91.